guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. If you didn't catch it in the last video, my friend Rebecca Robeson was in town making over my dining room and entryway. If you don't know Rebecca, she is a fabulous YouTuber and creator of affordable design sessions. And in the last video, we got to take some of her interior design and awesome tips, put together some really easy and frugal DIYs. And in today's video, easy upcycling projects, things you can do to make your home awesome on a budget.
This little segment we're going to do right now is to show you how to take some vintage things you have, things that you think, oh, I'm so tired of it, it was my mother's, or it was hand-me-down. You can actually update it. We're adding 2 chairs to this set. We're adding something that looks vintage and kind of Frenchy and gardeny, and so the color of the upholstery on those chairs is what we're going to try to connect to.
So we're gonna reupholster these. Now I've done this once before with the old dining room. I think the best DIY tool that every home needs is a staple gun. This is so easy and cheap. You need about 1 yard of fabric for every 2 chairs. Fold and pleat your corners and cut off any excess.
But I like the idea. Okay.
Okay. All right, oh, which, Rebecca, which side goes up?
The upside.
Next, we hit up the local thrift shop, hoping to get lucky. Rebecca and I went shopping at Habitat for Humanity. When we first walked in the door, we found this amazing piece that literally retails for thousands of dollars.
Well, it's way reduced. Do you know how much this thing probably cost when it was new? I'm gonna guess $5,000 or $6,000.
It was the perfect cabinet for the entryway.
We walk in, we see this piece, $580.
I looked it up. This retails for $5,800.
Girls, we got lucky.
We decorated with things that I already have and some Dollar Tree finds too. This terrarium planter was only $1, and so was this super beautiful modern horse.
Vintage looking piece, right? That doesn't mean you have to fill it with china and make it look like, you know, your grandmother's piece. There's 2 lights in this cabinet, only 2. So any light that emits this far down has to go through 2 glass shelves. This is all pulled forward. Watch, if I push that back, look how dark.
It doesn't, yeah, you're right.
Oh, I wish I could just undo, but I can't. I have to actually move it.
I was thinking when we were thrifting today, that was so much fun. Like, I want to know
Totally.
your story, because you did not just wake up one day and design these amazing homes with unlimited budgets. Like, how did you get started doing this?
I was a young mom, I didn't have any money, so everything in my home for years was decorated through garage sales. And I would take the $5, buy stuff, and then I'd eventually say, I'm done with this, but I would have fixed it up and made it really, really amazing, and then I'd sell it for $75. So I realized something, I actually could make money with my eye and what I could do. So I didn't go to school to be a designer. I actually just kind of rolled into it on my own. I found a window for $5 at a garage sale that had been pulled out of a home before it was destroyed. To this day, I have that hanging up in my home. It's amazing. I actually opened up a hole in my wall and let it hang. What if I had my contractor cut an opening out of this wall just to fit this window? Well, this one was pretty cool. We changed the orientation of that.
Rebecca, I gave her wine, and we walked around my house, and she just helped me change all of these little things using stuff that I already had.
But it needs to be vertical. I know, right?
You really helped change my home and
Thank you.
how I think about design.
But I still understand the concept of working on a budget and not letting your current situation curb you from living in the best home that you can now. And guess what? We came in under budget.
Under budget.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we didn't look at the elbows.
Did you look at the elbows? Well,
You
it
were
wasn't
very
bad.
passionate about
I'm watch.
we'll do it again.
See the difference. Ready?
You're right.
So we decided you guys should leave us a comment below. Are we on? Good. We are on. Kathy and Becky plus wine.
Because it could be a hashtag, Kathy and Becky plus wine.
Are hashtags still a thing?
Hashtags are still a thing.
Are they? Okay. We need to think of another word besides amazing. I use it all the time. Stupendous.
Fantastical.
Oh, this
So
is
if you give her
her.
wine, this is what she does.
Hello, I said, Kathryn, let me be your friend. I just need to tell you, these absolutely have to go. And then this. What? Okay, so I wanted to give you a little insight because I know you love Kathryn. I love her now too. Can I just tell you, she's everything that you think she is, but a whole lot more. She loses her keys all the time.
Constantly. But then I lost the keys, and Becky over here is blaming me because the keys were gone. It turns out they were in her purse the whole time.
Actually, my pocket.
The full reveal is going to be on Rebecca's channel. It was such an honor to collaborate with her on this project. And if you want to actually take principles and learn how to implement these things in your house, not just pin stuff and then never ever get to it, you need to subscribe to her design sessions. They are so inexpensive. I'm gonna put a link down below. I'm subscribed to them. Rebecca is beyond talented and she's hilarious and real, and you totally fall in love with her and leave feeling inspired. I'm so thankful that you are a part of this community, and if you are not, girl, you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the frugal family, living life on a dime and finding joy along the way. I love you guys. All the links are down below, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.
But if you don't look at my eyes or my hand, you only look at my elbow and you go like this, we will end up in the right place. You want to try it one more time just to make sure it's real?
Okay.
Ready, go.
I think that's the best tip I've learned today.
Oh, good God. I taught you so much about decorating and the high five. Can we just add it to all the great things you've learned?
Yes.
Kathy and Becky plus one.